How to use face retouch in Canva. To show you this, I've prepared this photo of a woman with acne. I'm just gonna click on my photo and I'm gonna go to the left hand side here on the top where it says edit photo. Once you click on that, you want to scroll down until you see face retouch. When you get to the effects, I'm gonna click on it and it will do its magic. And once I turn up the slider here, it should remove most of her acne. Well, you may not see a big of a difference, but if I click on remove effect, you can immediately see how much smoother it got. I'm gonna put this back to 100 like this. And yes, it's not ideal, but I can show you a different trick how we can improve it even further. I'm just gonna click on back. I'm gonna scroll up here where it says magic eraser, and we're gonna use that one to further retouch the photo. Just gonna click on the bigger spots here, and after it's done doing its magic, it should remove it like this. And that's how you use face retouch in Canva. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.